Koktisalo Rajakhor Agulini Sukanta Accademy Auditoriumo Agartala Takhellei Tengbang Luptei Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Luwajijakmabai Khlaijakha Cultural Festival Te Sokat Yapharmani Panda. Asal Pandawa haste te father haste wo tongai Rwngsrwngnairokno Manipuri Khlaijakha Khabasronani Naharmungo Khlaijakha Abohai Tangbotang Hanisaka Manipur Legislative Assembly MLA Kombal Taram Ibomcha Singha Pandawa Manipuri Rwngsrwngnairokno Yapharjakha Borom te Sokat.
I want to convey a message to the young generation of the Meitei that they should understand without preserving our culture, our literature, our religion, our script, our language. As I have already said, we cannot identify ourselves that we are Meiteis. So, young generation should have this understanding. They should love, their own community. They should always do things reflecting that they love their community, and they should have such a quality in their day-to-day activities also. If we do something good, our community will be good. Our good deeds will identify ourselves also to the rest of the people. They are good people, good community. So they should not forget it.
Rajakhor Agulini Koktum, Chini Khorang.